All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on my NAS 100 signal as well as my US 30 signal. So starting the week, we are already 2 and 0, two winners, no losses. The week has just started, so we're hopefully going to have a really good, solid banger week. Not only did I make phenomenal profits today, but my members in my private, well, it's actually not private, it's actually a free Discord group community that I put together for people, and it's growing day in and day out. Traders like yourself are coming, learning, earning, making money day in and day out. This member here made 1,200. This member here made a couple thousand. This member here made over 1,000. This member here made $100. This member here made, I can't even see that, $700 in profit. This member here made 4,000. So people are really loving this community and it's growing day in, day out. And that's 100% free, guys. So if you click the link below this YouTube video, you'll be able to join this for free. However, if you do want to receive my Telegram signals that I send out each every single to the members, these are going to be a private paid group. You can have the option to receive my signals day in and day out. I'm very transparent. I show the entry I put out as well as me being actually in the trade. I'm going to break all that down for you guys right now in this video. So we watched two things today, right? We watched US 30 and NAS 100. Both of these, I was looking for the market to basically squeeze up and take off running. The market did start off very, very choppy. I put out the buy signal for US 30 at 38,501.93, and then the buying NAS 100 19,685.02. Okay, now following through here, we were actually in this NAS 100 trade. You can see that I took this trade exactly at my buy signal at 19,685.15. We did hit take profit one. She started to pull back. I basically jumped out of this trade. I did jump back in it again later on for a very, very small profit. But the major breadwinner today was US 30. US 30 actually hit take profit one, two, and three multiple times. So I was focused on NAS 100, right? But US 30, when the market opened, US 30 actually dropped. It dropped, but then it instantly squeezed up. So if we switch this, we'll go to like a 2 minute chart here, right? When the market actually opened today at 9:30, or you could say 8:30, it dropped, right? It dropped and it dropped even more, but then it squeezed up, right? When it squeezed up, pushed up higher, came back down again. So it was extremely back and forth, back and forth. I jumped to this one multiple times, but then for the final push up, right? Not only did I capture it the first time with this first squeeze for take profit one, two, it started pull back, I jumped out. I jumped back in this one, right? Because it pulled back, jumped in, right? There's the entry 38,501, right? A little bit late. Jumped in heavy size, got it for take profit one, take profit two, and then take profit three for that squeeze and final push up. And this is me saying it right here in the Telegram group. I told everybody that US 30 dropping hard should start to see NAS 100 push back up, but market is over the map, hoping we get another push with US 30 over high of day. And then boom, let's go. We were in that trade. Told everyone in the private Telegram group about taking it. Okay. So that is how we do it day in and day out. And again, if this is something that you wish to receive my signals, that link is going to be, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video to be able to sign up for my private signals group. Also, if you guys are unable to trade every single day, right, you have the option to enroll and apply for my copy trading, right? And what that means is anytime I place a trade, so all these trades that you guys see me take in my private Telegram group, day in and day out, right? Week after week, month after month, every single trade that you see me take, such as this one, NZD US dollar. This was another trade that I put the signal out for buy 0.61495. We got in this one for take profit one, take profit two, right? We got in this for take profit one, take profit two, and then we actually got it for take profit three. This is a trade I took, right, last week. Solid trade, solid trade. I took this one on June 13th. I told everyone here, buying, this was actually at 8:06 p.m. Told everyone to look at buying NZD US dollar. So the way the copy trading works is I'll make a more in-depth video, is that once I place a trade on my account, right? My account, just like this trade right here, NZD US dollar, is going to place the exact same trade on your account. Exact same trade, same price, same everything. It's going to be in the same trade, same time as me. It'll be take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. Now, obviously, with most of my trades, I'm taking 50 lots. But even if I took, let's split that in half. If I take 25 lots on your account, you're going to make $2,200. take half of that, right? Then you'll maybe make $1,000, $1,100, or maybe take half of that, might only make $100 to $200. Nonetheless, it's passive income. It's easy money for people. So that is something people are interested in. Then again, you have to click the link below this YouTube video or join my Discord group. But you're going to want to use the same exact broker as me. You need to use the same broker as me under my link so you're completely linked to my account. Otherwise, if you use any kind of prop firm, funded account, or any other broker, it will not work for you. So this won't be a good fit for you guys. But anyways, nonetheless, that's it for this YouTube video. I haven't made one in a while, but as always, when we have these big monster days, I like to make videos showing and talking about what my signal was, my take profits, my stop loss, what I was looking at. Ultimately, it was pre-market, right? I saw the market coming down, looking for it to be extremely bullish, not only today on NAS 100, but US 30, looking for the market to push up. Last week, the market was pretty heavy, pretty beaten down. So today, I basically wanted to basically hold that support and have a nice push up to the upside. Same thing with NAS 100, right? It was grinding up, consolidated, looking for it to hold this support level, have a nice little push up. Took a while, but once the momentum came through, she was off to the races. You could see we made a monster move, right? So we basically went from 19,677 all the way up to 19,977. So even with small size, guys, you can still make a lot of profit. But the problem is that so many people keep too tight of a stop loss where it's basically like a revolving door, right? They get in the trade, they get stopped out. They get in the trade, they get stopped out. They get in the trade, they get stopped out. Rule of thumb is that keep a smaller position size, right? Smaller position size, a little bit of a bigger stop loss, bigger areas of take profit, and always adjust your trades accordingly, right? I promise you guys, if you adjust your trades accordingly, follow the rules, use a trailing stop loss, adjust your stop loss to break even or take profit, you will win and you will continue to survive in this game. But again, learning, when first you learn, then you earn. I'm here to help educate and motivate you guys as much as possible. Join the Discord group, listen, learn, laugh, make friends. This is a really good trading community for people to ask questions. It is 100% free. I'm not charging like other forex traders and gurus out there that charge just for the Discord. But again, I am going to charge for my Telegram signals because this does take a lot of my time to basically do my back testing analysis and just overall where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell. Because again, I'm coming every single day to the market to win, make money. So this is me sharing where I'm looking to buy, sell, my trades, and my thoughts, my ideas. So that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully helps educate you guys. Subscribe to the channel, give it a video, give it a thumbs up, comment below. And as always, guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.